So hello everyone. This is Medical Proctor, an AI-driven safety layer for high-stakes medical environments. I built this to solve a critical gap, ensuring 100% PPE compliance and real-time task guidance using VisionAgent. Looking at the code base, I leveraged VisionAgent to bypass traditional rigid training loops. Instead of manually labeling thousands of medical images, I am using Vision language model to dynamically detect PPE components like masks, gowns, and gloves and specific surgical tools through high. First, we start our front end and back end, and for that, we will see demo video. We start session by initialize button.
I am ready when you are. The video is currently blue, so I cannot confirm PPE yet. I see you are wearing gloves, but I don't see a mask. Please ensure you have proper PPE in place before proceeding. The clinician is currently preparing medication with a syringe and vial. The clinician is drawing medication from a vial with a
As
syringe.
you can see demo, the system continuously monitors the frame when practitioner enters without full PPE kit. Vision agent identified the missing item, in this case the
The
glove,
clinician is carefully
and the
drawing
triggers
medication from the vial.
immediately.
I can see the medication vial now. Please state the medication name and expiration date.
So this was
The
the
clinic
demo and code base of my project. Thank you.